How are you, brother? We've got our newest creation. Mate, you live and breathe, literally, survival, yeah?
I do. Well, hold on a second. That looks a little different to the kit I was using before.
Mate, she's a little bit different.
Nah.
You are the first person to get a reveal outside of the survival family.
Wow.
It's the culmination. Gen 8 is the culmination of everything that we've been evolving with survival. It was a cracker idea to start off with, but it's just got better and better and better.
The Survival First Aid brand was set up in 1988. And since that movement, so many people have been saved. I absolutely adore this kit and I invested all my time and effort into Survival First Aid.
I think it's a game changer. Find the colour, identify the pictogram, grab the item, give help to your loved one.
People are screaming out, help, 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 save my family's life. You know, my son's been cut open. People are just getting stuff, throwing it like this everywhere. Oh, reaching in, trying to find it. And it's an impossible mission when you're under pressure. So what I love about this, it keeps you calm, and calmness remains contagious when you're using a product like Survival First Aid kits.
I open my kit, I find the colour, I see the picture, I grab what I need and then I apply it to the person.
Seen at least 10 different first aid companies out on the market providing first aid kits. Nothing on the market in Australia comes close to Survival First Aid. I put my heart and soul into this brand in saving lives.
This is a global first. No one in the world has seen this. I'm outside of survival except for you. And I hope that we're incredibly proud and we're very happy that this is being seen on Bondi Beach in Australia. This opens the door for anybody, especially a child. English is a second language. If you've got any learning difficulties, if there's any pressure and stress on you, it's immediately visually available so you can work.
Picture's the oldest language in the world. There's no translation necessary. You can see for bleeding, for snake bite, for cleaning, for gloves, for anything you need, it's all there. You can see it without having to read the words.
In my life, I've saved over 6,500 people from rescues down here, resuscitated over 70 people clinically dead. Having a survival first aid kit is everything to me. It's about easy access. You remember, down here, we have big crowds watching and we're on demand. So calmness must remain contagious. Having this survival first aid kit clearly labelled with symbols on it is easy to access and you can treat the patient and save a life quite easy.
Thank you to everyone that's used our first aid kits.